asked my brother about, like, basically, let me explain, yeah. So Greta had an awkward moment with my brother. He came up and she said hello to him and she went in for a hug. It was a bit awkward. And then, like, now I need to find out what really happened. Let's have a look. Because basically it was, like, super awkward for her. So I'm gonna see if it was awkward for him too. Let's wait. Chris?
Oh.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
When my friend said hello to you today, did she think you were gonna go for a hug and then you had to hug her? Was it awkward?
No.
Didn't happen.
I don't know.
Like you went hello and then it was like, oh, because she thought you were gonna go for a hug, and then she was like, maybe he wasn't, and then she gave you a hug.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
But it wasn't
awkward. I was on the
awkward.
phone at the same time, so I wasn't really thinking.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be like proper awkward, and then you would be like, oh.
Why are you taping it?
Oh, because she knows. She knows.
Is she there?
Yeah, she's here. Hi, girl. No. She already told me, and I said I'll ask you. I want to see if it would be awkward.
No, that's cool.
That's boring. I was looking for more juice than that. Well, it wasn't awkward. It's still funny. Anyway, enjoy the video. Today was a sick day. I'm not gonna lie about it, guys. I don't even know why I did that. Bye, guys. Enjoy.
To prove, there's no reason to prove.
Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in to another video. We're about to go to a light show, and I thought whilst we have some light, I'll show you my friend.
And on the 4th day.
This is Greta. She's going to be creating a channel as well, so make sure, I'm going to put the link in the description box below so you can go check out her channel. I know you can't see me.
I'm really excited, guys.
Because this is going to be new for her, and I think,
yeah, I'm scared.
I think you guys will probably want to follow her more than you follow me, so just
Listen to
make
her.
sure you're already subscribed to me and then
Stay
you can
loyal
follow
to her, yeah?
So anyway, yeah, we'll keep you updated.
So, time to time, Liz points the camera in my face because she's like, you look ugly, fix yourself. So, every time it comes out, you know.
I plan to. Do you know what's so peak, right? All my life I've wanted to vlog out, like whilst I'm out, but unless you have a friend with you who's cool for that kind of stuff, like you're just by yourself always.
Put your camera down, girl!
Finally,
focus on me! Pay attention to me!
they're not down for it, but now I have a friend who is. It's great. So can you explain where we actually are? Right?
So, right now we are at Canary Wharf at this light show. I think it's called like Winter Lights or something. And there's like a map, and you need to follow each destination, and each destination has its own little light show.
Yeah.
So as you can see, there's one right here.
No, I think the main one is that one.
And there's one over there. Nombre one!
When your white friend gets in trouble, but you know she won't get arrested.
Said I'm not allowed to do it anymore.
I mean, if you guys can see what I see, let me show you. Stop shaking. Stop doing that, Greta. Oh, that's my boat, by the way. Joking, it's my dad. I think that you have to be careful when landing. Did you go to the loo? Did you eat? No, I pooed though. You pooed though? I pooed though. Get it?
Get it! Get it!
Hey guys, let's have a meet and greet. I'm also giving away a substance because I hate it.
Oh my gosh, she's actually leaving it right here. That's so funny. So, are you enjoying the show?
No, but I prefer Aladdin shows.
You prefer Aladdin shows? Alright.
Like this one. A brand new world. When it tells you to go that way, but no.
What if I go stronger? What if I get higher? What if I start doing things I know I will regret? I will make my own way, I will not surrender. I will do my best until I get put under.
Everyone's looking at those lights, but I'm just like, guys, have you seen how pretty these ones are though?
Guys, I'm a bit worried because I can't get into this restaurant.
Yeah, but I said we haven't tried key.
We haven't what?
We haven't tried key.
We haven't tried key?
Yes, I got a stick. Let's go get the sushi.
Get it? Get it? Okay, get out.
Now you're gonna like yeah, that's better. Hello, everybody. This is my Lithuanian friend. That was really good. Yeah. Hi guys.
I'm gonna play that back so many times.
This is my Lithuanian friend. This is my Lithuanian friend. Hi guys. We had a really good day. Like, it was actually sick.
It was really nice.
My camera died, so this is the explanation for why maybe the videos are looking a bit dodgy, because I've taken some stuff on her phone. So I'm a bit upset about it because my phone is better than hers, of course. It's just the fact that it died. That's the problem here. But ultimately, still got the footage, so.
How about it?
There's only one question I have with regards to the one with the headset. He put a headset on, and apparently his brain was controlling.
Yeah.
His brain was controlling the waves of light. I don't believe it was.
It was a really pretty show. Like the whole expedition of that was really, really nice. Yeah, but I think it was a bit ridiculous. I feel like he had to kind of say it to get the silhouette because it looks better when there's a person standing in front of it when you've got all the lights coming in. But he didn't need to make up this.
I feel like maybe he was controlling the boxes. Just, you know, there's like a middle box and it kind of moved back and forth, and it was like ding, 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 ding. Maybe he was just controlling that.
I don't know.
One thing that I've also learned about Greta.
I'm bad at angles.
You can say to Greta, look at this, and she'll like pick the weirdest angle to look at it. She'll be like, yeah, I'm in the camera. No, you're not. Here is the camera. Yeah,
look at that. Wow. Oh, God, it's over there.
So
sorry.
I just feel like it's fine. She'll get
I have stuff to learn. This is why you're my friend, to teach me all of these things.
Friend's a big word to use for us. Feel like. And I'm also wearing a hat because that's why. Let it go, guys. I don't ever see Greta, but now that she's a YouTuber, I see her all the time.
I haven't even started YouTube. Oh my God.
So make sure you follow her channel when she creates it, which will be very, very soon.
Yes,
very, very, very soon. And we'll be doing like loads of videos together as well. Because why not? Yeah, there's many reasons why we should, but
because then we're gonna have awesomeness overload.
the best way to end any night is to go McDonald's. What did you get? Anyway, she got a veggie burger meal with cheese fries. Did you get cheese fries? Oh, did you? She had that mad quick, right?
Before Liz asks for some, nom. Seriously, like, McDonald's should sponsor you.
Yeah.
That is how ridiculous it is.
Or maybe I am sponsored by McDonald's.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, so we're going to do loads of challenges as well. Until then, guys, until the next video, make sure you give this video a big like and subscribe to this channel. You've got to disappear in my video. It's a little bit different. So, wait, no, not yours. We've got to click on things at the same time.
Oh, that's exciting.
Alright, guys, just try.
I want to do it.
Alright, ready? You're going to click after 3, yeah?
After 3, like 3, 2, 1, then we click, or 3, 2, 1, and we click.
1, 2, 3, click.
1, 2, 3, click. Okay, got it.
1, 2, 3. Okay, now just
wait. Can you just say 1, 2, 3 again? Wait, do it. I've got something funny to do.
1, 2, 3.
I don't have to click. My fingers.
No, you gotta do it again, bro. It's just what? 1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much for coming. Take care, Greta.
Oh, I thought he was gonna go for a hug. I thought you were gonna go through for a hug. Shh, she was leading me on. Let me know when you get in yet. Look nice and it's finished.